Mr. Lopez, talk to us about the Department of Navy and the activity going on there. It seems like you're almost like a blend between what Juan is doing and what Tom is doing.
Absolutely. In fact, we started out supporting Tom at OUSD R&E. That's shifted more recently over to Juan. We're still actually supporting both offices and work very closely with them the last few years on all the Navy and Marine Corps projects that we have going on. So some examples of where we're making progress and initiatives within our organization. We've completed the execution of a number of Navy and Marine Corps 5G pilots, prototypes, and projects to support both a variety of morale, welfare, and rec use cases for sailors, and also operational use cases for Navy and Marine Corps missions like 5G smart warehouses that Juan mentioned. To support logistics efficiencies, we have a 5G aircraft readiness project going on, and manned portable 5G networks in a box, and also 5G to support expeditionary advanced base operations. So all these projects are just going out, rolling out. But what Juan mentioned was really a focus on expanding 5G infrastructure in general is a serious focus here within the Navy. A recent project that was stood up is really focused on improving infrastructure for piers, or shipboard piers, but that has expanded into a larger initiative to support just general improvement in infrastructure across the enterprise. So we've seen progress. Yeah.
I'm sorry, please.
I was going to say we've seen progress in our employment of 5G technologies like ORAN, that's Open Radio Access Network, dynamic spectrum sharing, network splicing, and we look forward to the development of continued initiatives, how they'll be employed to improve capacity, throughput, and offer cost savings, efficiencies, and speed to deployment. We have seen one other thing that I wanted to mention here because it was such a huge things for our sailors at sea. 5G at sea has really taken hold. We've done some just an initial pilot on the Lincoln where we deployed a 5G network, connected it to Starlink. So we had huge bandwidth going to the carrier, and that translated into giant morale booster for sailors at sea. And by the way, I was a sailor at sea. When I was a sailor at sea, not to date myself, there was no such thing as the internet. And today we have things like they streamed the Super Bowl on the carrier there,
Nice.
for 800 sailors on the hangar bay. So these are giant steps forward for us here in the Navy and Marine Corps.
So